After checking in and resting on our veranda, we take a trip to the Pelican for a wine taste testing in their well-stocked cava. The unique volcanic soil on Santorini contributes to some spectacular vintages. None of the vines, as you see here, are trellised. Each year, the vines are allowed to grow in a basket shape that protects the leaves and the grapes resting inside. The wine taste testing is always a hit with our groups.